Do you wonder how Uber can throw massive discounts on new users? How Angry Birds continues to generate significant free cash? What is the revenue model for these kind of new economy businesses? Lifetime value of a customer, cost of acquisition, renewal rate, viral coefficient, gross merchandise value, ARPU, MRR, average CPM, and many more. We know you might know a few of these, but how do you apply these in your business and build your business like Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, or Google? We are on a mission. We want everyone to be business smart, which will help them to build their business like Uber, BuzzFeed, and Airbnb. Introducing Uptick. It's a business model platform. Mix the new economy's relevant industry drivers and key metrics along with their calculations in a modular financial model in one place. It has 4 components: business model platform, minimalist pocket guide, business drivers explained, a video series, and online financial model builder. The pocket guide and video series will help you get smart on business drivers, be it their definition, application to business models, industry comparables, impact on financial statement, dependence, and precedence. From micro-learning video walkthrough of business drivers for those who haven't done financial modeling before, to full suite of drag and drop business drivers as modules that will help more experienced modeler to take their skills to the next level, this platform will give you the tools needed to succeed. How do you get involved? Look at rewards. We have 4 packs for professionals, financial analysts, entrepreneurs, and students. As a stretch goal, for every milestone you see on the screen, we will ask our backers which new model they want to see in this platform. There is an acute need for professionals that understand the functional side of the new economy businesses. Don't miss the bus the next time. Join our mission today.